Hello, my fellow friends of the Techverse. Welcome back to another video. And first, please excuse that it is a bit dim and dark in my room. While recording this video, it's really hot. We have excessive heat warning today, and so I have a lot of lights off just to, prevent the house from going really hot. But you should still be able to see what I am talking about. And in today's video, I am talking about the return to the Pixel 7a, which has been pretty awesome so far. And yes, I do plan to make a day in the life Pixel 7a video. Probably will film that over this weekend, so we'll see how that goes. But I must say that it's been a real joy using it. For a while my wife was using it as her phone, I was using the Pixel 6a, and the 6a is no slouch. I will say this. It is not a super drastic upgrade from the 6A to the 7A, so if you have a 6A, your device is still capable. The 7A is pretty good, and it does have, a few things that they upgraded on compared to the 6A. But again, like I said, it's nothing that's going to be like a giant leap. However, it is, in my opinion, still worth the upgrade if you want several of the new things. One is the cameras, which I'll have some camera photos sampled on this video for you guys. It just really is using a Sony sensor, which is a 64 megapixel sensor, versus the 12.2 megapixel sensor that has been in Pixels for the longest time you'll find in the 6A. But aside from that too, it does have wireless charging as well. The wireless charging is not that big of a deal in my opinion. Some people will say so. I tend to charge all my devices using wired. Very rarely will I ever use wireless charging if I absolutely need to, but and in this scenario, I really don't. So, I mean, those are some of the upgrades that, you could pretty much point out with the 7A. But, to be on the more realistic side of things, it did have an issue with the display. I will say that. And I will say that I disassembled my Pixel 7a to save it. And I am so happy that I was able to do that. Everything is working just fine. There's still another issue with the 7a that I need to get it fixed. But yeah, I was being weird and just found out that it's still covered under warranty. The warranty on it is until July this year. So next month is when the warranty is up. So anything that I would need done, I better have it done with, warranty to be able to use it. But that's not what this video is about. It is running Android 14. I do not have it on Android 15 beta. So the 6A will serve that purpose for Android 15 beta tests. And the 7A will stay on Android 14 until Android 15 comes out. And I don't have any plans on flashing a custom ROM on this device. I just don't really see a reason to at this point right now, especially when we're very close to Android 15. We got another couple of months until it's, fully out there for us to try. Maybe I will install Android 15 beta when it's like at beta 3 or beta 4. Usually around that time, the OS is pretty smooth and it's just got like very minor bugs, but nothing detrimental to worry about. Maybe then I'll do it. But right now, it's just going to stay on Android 14. Because my city gets really hot, what I'm showing you guys here is that there is a slight gap between the back of the housing and the frame. It's slightly lifted. The heat, I don't know if it just like superly melted the glue that holds that back on. But that's the thing I got to take in for a warranty repair. But other than that, that's also my return to the Pixel 7a. So thanks for checking out today's video.